Hi everyone. So a couple of you had asked about using Canva to create things, but you didn't buy Canva Pro. So you were looking for ways to add pictures because some of the pictures are only available if you buy the for purchase version of Canva. So what I want to show you is how you can kind of open up your options for adding things. So in Miss Joyce's tutorial, she talked about how you can add photos, you can add elements, you can search for things. So let's say if I wanted to add a man, I wanted to add this silhouette into the middle. I searched for it. I found out there were some free options, but then I was looking and I realized that I really wanted one of the paid options. I don't want to pay for Canva, so I'm trying to figure out what I can do. So there's another option on Canva that you can use called uploads. And you can upload any picture or image or video that you would like to include in your Canva project. So what I do is this. I go and I Google what I'm looking for. So if I'm looking for a man silhouette, that's what I would search in Google. I put PNG. PNG is a type of picture and it's a file type that often has a transparent background, which means I won't have that white box around my image. So here's what I want to do. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to see that this image works for me. So I'm going to save the image. I'm just going to save it to my desktop on my computer because I'm not going to keep it forever. Okay, so I've saved it onto the desktop of my computer, and then I'm going to go back, or you could save it to your download files or save it to another file or anywhere you'd like to save it on your computer here. I'm going to go back to Canva. I'm going to hit upload an image on Canva, and I get some choices. I can pull pictures from my Instagram, my Facebook, my Google Drive, my Dropbox account. I'm just going to pick my device because that's where I saved my picture to, and I'm just going to pick him, open him up, and here it's going to upload and it's going to be put onto my Canva account once he's all settled. Now I can just click on him and add him straight to my project. As you can see on my uploads, I have multiple pictures that I've used for different things because I couldn't find the free version that I needed on Canva. So again, this is an option to open up more images and videos that you can include, especially if you have not bought the Canva Pro edition of Canva. I hope this was helpful. Please email me if you do have any questions.